Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explain how to create Excel file in your PC. So I'm just searching Microsoft Excel 2016. Okay, open this program. So I hope this video totally helpful and an education purpose. So please subscribe our channel and this video like. So Microsoft is currently your default program, so don't show this message again. Yes, to change your default apps, go to settings, apps and default apps. Okay, so now I'm create welcome to Excel. Okay, tool, then create, download your template, welcome to Excel. So guys, I'm waiting download, and now summarize data of private tables, and next step. So totally complete this package. Okay, Firefox is open, I don't need. So guys, drive download to more details and total highlight how to work on Excel file. So this is the guideline. So I hope this video is totally education purpose, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. Goodbye.